Hi, I'm Jana Kearney from OUTWORKEM.digital, and today I'm going to show you how to give video feedback on Frame.io. Frame.io is the platform that we use for collaboration for video production that we use between our editors, our clients, and ourselves as an agency. This platform has been the best solution that we've found to actionable feedback and really setting our editors and our clients up for success so that they can get across the message that they're trying to get to their clients through video production. So if you're looking at a screen like this, you have likely gotten a link inside of Slack, which is a review link. This review link is going to allow you to go in and watch each video individually, leave comments, add in replacement media if you need to, and mark the status of a video so that we can take it from there and distribute the content. So first off, we're going to look over here into the thumbnails. The status is needs review currently. So I'm going to mark it as needs review. If you go ahead and look at a thumbnail and you approve of it, you can go ahead and mark it approved. And once it's approved, I know, or we know as a team, that it does not need any further edits. And say that you did want an edit here, you'd go into the right side panel and you would just type warm up the color grading, for example. I don't think that this thumbnail actually needs that, but I was just leaving it as an example, and your comment will show up. If there were any spelling errors, you could go ahead and type that into the panel here. Or if you didn't like the actual photo used in the thumbnail, you could attach another file with a different thumbnail picture to be used, to be edited into it. You can also leave little marks, annotations, circle things, make arrows if you are having a hard time typing out what you're trying to convey. So you can make an arrow and a comment, or you can make a circle and a comment. Let's just say you wanted to change that. You could change color of text instead of writing out the entire wording there. So that's for the thumbnails. Now I'm going to go ahead and go back to the videos here, and everything needs review, and I'm going to go ahead and go to a video that I already left a couple comments on for spelling errors over here. So once the next round of the edits has been implemented, there will be another video in addition, and it'll be marked V2. So you can see that here. That happened. This had comments, right? And the name of the video. And then if you go over here, this is the version that has been edited and revised. So for this particular client, I am going to remove the videos in the edit link that have already had the edits implemented so that they can watch the final version over here with the edits implemented and build upon that with any more comments. So I'm not going to have you reviewing things multiple times unnecessarily. I already go through a review process, and then the client will go through a review process. But for the sake of education, let's go ahead and look over here. So, and you can see that shower was spelled incorrectly, so I made a comment there to revise that. And client's name was also spelt incorrectly, and so I made a comment there to correct the name. Now we have in version 2, which you can see the V2 underscore. Let's see, make sure that shower is still spelt incorrectly. Shower is still spelled incorrectly. And I just spelled incorrectly, but they'll understand what I'm saying. So I'm going to go ahead and check the other spelling error that we had, and that is revised. So that's good. So then once the editor sees that, they will upload V3 underscore the shower truth. So you will be able to see if it's V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, so on and so forth. So as you can imagine, this can get very, very confusing if we're giving feedback in Slack, email, and other places, text message, phone calls, things like that. With the revision process, Frame really keeps everything organized and makes it so that we can get the action. And so this still needs review. I'm not going to mark it as approved. There is some other videos. This one probably will be approved over here, but that's how you use frame.io. Please use this as you have witnessed in this video, and hopefully we can make great videos together. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.